Hello, my name is Padavi Rajan Vartak and I live in Hoi Vasai. I am in the age group from 15 to 25 and my topic name is Essence of Indian Festival, which is Bhartiya Sananmadil Marma. So India has more than 200 ethnic groups living here. This is what makes India culturally rich and diverse and an experience in itself. From east to west to north to south, every corner of the country is steeped in its ancient and rich history about why a particular festival is celebrated. In the eastern region, Durga Puja takes priority over most of the festivals. It is a 10-day festival in which Kolkata turns out its most artistic pandals to full display. Art and culture is in full swing for everyone to see. Women and men are dressed in best of their attires. Durga Puja is a celebration of Ma Durga as she kills Mahishasur. It is also celebrated as Navratri in Punjab, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The Durga Puja is the celebration of woman power. Towards the extremists, Bihu is celebrated. Bihu is celebrated in the honor of Mother Nature and Earth for a good year ahead. Then comes the western region, and in the western region, Rajasthan and Maharashtra are two main states. Rajasthan is known for its Gangaur festival. In Gangaur festival, Lord Shiva and Parvati are worshipped. The women folks of Rajasthan bring Gauri, Lord Shiva's wife, to their homes. Then comes the Mewar festival, which is also similar to the Gangaur festival. In the Mewar festival, Rajasthan turns out to in a hue of colors. The Mewar festival is the representation of welcoming the spring. Then comes Gujarat, in which Navratri is celebrated. Then comes the northern region. In the upper north, Diwali and Lohri are the two main festivals. Diwali is the celebration of good over evil. Starting from the Lakshmi Puja and then trying out different snacks for a Diwali, it is truly a wholesome celebration. The Lohri is also celebrated in the northern region. Lohri is simultaneously celebrated with Bihu. Lohri, celebrating Lohri lies a gratitude for a good year ahead in the farming process. Then comes the southern region, in which Onam, Pongal, and Ugadi are the three main festivals. Onam is celebrated in Kerala, in which beautiful flower rangolis are drawn over all the household, over all the household, which are truly a treat to the eyes. It is believed that King Mahabali comes to earth from his dwelling from Patal. He comes to see his well-being of the subjects living here. Then comes the Pongal festival, which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Pongal literally means boil over, and the spilling of milk is considered auspicious in the Pongal festival. Then comes the Ugadi festival, which is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh, in which it is a celebration for the new year. Then comes the Onam festival, which is also known as. Then comes the Onam festival, which is also a celebration for the good year ahead for the agriculture. So celebrations are a way of life in India, and the main belief is that God takes human form and teaches us valuable lessons which we can understand for the rest of our lives and be fond of when we grow older. Thank you.